Hello everyone and welcome back to my morning report analysis videos on Tuesday the 8th of May with me, Rich Market Analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at cable, which, I've just talked about the euro dollar. The cable has also sort of continued to move lower. Just as part of the morning report, I made this downtrend, a dotted downtrend, because the market had been sort of starting to push higher and started to look as though it was engaging in a bit of a recovery play. It was up not a million miles off 136 earlier today, 135.90, but it's completely flipped and turned lower, 90 pips from that level, and we're back lower again. The market just continues to go down. 34.85 is that reaction low from Friday, which the market will be looking at. If that breaks to the downside, then you're looking at 34.55 as that January low. But realistically, you could be retreating towards this 133 figure pivot as the next level. It just continues to fall away. I can't believe that I was talking about 140 big figure just a week or so ago, being as a key pivot. Now we're looking at 133 big figure as a potential area to come down to. But look at these momentum indicators and MACD lines. Look how negative they have turned in the last sort of couple of weeks or so. RSI deeply below 30, again reflecting the strength of this downtrend. Stochastic still very negatively configured. Unless you start to get a decisive sort of move sideways, and now what you'd need a move above 36 figure really, because that clearly is initial resistance, 35.90 in the last sort of few 2 or 3 sessions. But yeah, we still really need to start to see some traction to the upside. Sorry, that's euro dollar. Before you can get any real suggestion that this downtrend is being broken, you've got all the momentum indicators negatively configured. It's still 60 on the RSI as a limiting factor. Still, you've got MACD lines that are struggling around neutral, all sort of indicative of sort of key bear phases, and that remains the case. 36.55 sort of was an old historic breakout level that's become a bit of a level as well near term. 36.30 was the low, sorry, was the reaction high on Thursday. It just doesn't look good, does it, with the market again sort of flipping on a sort of a move to the dollar strength today. A couple of strong bear candles on the hourly chart, and a break below 34.85 would certainly reopen the downside. Downside potential still remains on the hourly chart, so yeah, not great for any cable bulls out there. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. I'll speak to you later.